Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and I have the ZTE Blade V9 with me. Now this is a new mid-range phone, glass back design, looks quite stylish. It's pretty compact as well despite its 5.7-inch display. That's because of the 18:9 aspect ratio. This is a FHD plus display. As far as the specs of this phone are concerned, it comes powered by a Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. There are two variants, 3 gigs of RAM with 32 GB storage and another one with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Comes with dual cameras, so there's a 16 megapixel sensor along with a 5 megapixel unit at the back. The front camera is 13 megapixels. Comes with Android Oreo and is powered by a 3200 mAh battery. So those were the core specs. Interesting looking phone, very stylish, glass bagged, charging port at the bottom, power key volume rocker on the right, 3.5mm headset socket on top, and SIM tray on the left. Feels pretty snappy. Comes with almost stock looking Android, a bunch of apps, not too much bloatware, and a few gestures and features provided within settings. So you can change the position of the virtual navigation keys. There's a Mi Pop feature, which is basically like assistive touch, a floating button that can move around the screen and give you navigation and other options. And the usual gestures like double tap to wake and motion gestures like flip to mute and shake to turn on the flashlight, which is very similar to what Moto is offering on some of its phones. So a new mid-range phone from ZTE. This is the ZTE Blade V9. Thanks for watching.